you guys, I don't even really know what to say. I never really thought I would reach 100 videos, but now that it's here, I'm speechless. I've made all these videos all for you guys, and I hope you guys really love them, because I tried my hardest and put my heart in it. It just means so much to me that you guys have stood up for me or been with me through this journey. And I know that sounds corny and everything, but I do mean it. You guys have watched my videos, and I really do appreciate it. In the future, there is going to be so much things that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to say them out loud finally. So, of course, I'm going to be making a new short film. It's going to be longer than a short film. I don't really know what to call it, but it's more like a medium film. It's not too long, it's not too short like all my other ones. It's just perfect. So if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I have been posting a lot of stuff that says something about the darkness. Yes, we are making a type of parody of Lights Out, which will be coming out in 2017, which means we are going to be putting so much work into this short film. I can't wait to film this movie, and I can't wait to have a premiere for it. I'm working on that, which is going to be awesome. So you guys can look up to that. I can't give out too many details because it still is early. You guys will soon get a lot of hints, but not right now. Another thing that is going to be going on in a few weeks or so, I am planning to do a new Mortal Kombat fights. Well, 2. Also, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have been seeing a lot of stuff about that. For this one, I really want to try harder than the other one. The other one, we were just wanting to have some fun, just pretend to fight. But this one, it's serious because I actually wanted to look way better. And that's the hardest thing about it. We're going to have weapons, we're going to have blood, we're going to have so much things that you would see on a Mortal Kombat thing. And you guys will love it. And a big thing that is going to change is a new place where I am going to be filming. So my brother, he is leaving to the Marines to go fight for our country. I know. You guys may be sad and everything for me and everything, but it's actually good for him. He's doing a good thing. So I will now be doing my videos in my room. If you guys remember my first ever videos up on this channel, they were up in my room, but it looked really ugly and everything. So I'm going to paint it up, make it look good for once, and you guys will have a new background to see me in. And I'm going to renovate my room to be how I want it, and it's just going to bring more shine. My room is very dark, and it's very depressing, so I can't wait to shoot in there for you guys. I'm gonna have my whole setup, and you guys will see it all. And the drum roll, please, for the best part ever. I finally ordered lights. I know. It has been forever since I've never even had lights. Why am I doing this? Why did I say forever? So yeah, I finally got lights. I know. They are coming in next week. They will be in next week's video. But I'm so freaking happy. You guys do not have to see the grain in my videos when it's dark. Because my videos in the dark, I just use daylight. I don't use anything else. So I'm happy about that. And oh my god, my videos are going to look way more better. So that is most of the things that are going to be coming out soon. I didn't want to give them all out. But again, I want to thank you guys for 100 videos, and it really, really means a lot to me for sticking up with me again. I'm sorry I'm getting like this. It's just that I care so much about this, and I can't believe I've been doing this for almost a year and a half now, which has went really fast. Again, thank you guys for 100 videos. Bye guys.